Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into TSB mobile banking account. For that, first of all, you have to launch TSB mobile banking application on your device. Now here you will see two options. If you want to open a TSB account, then tap on open a TSB account option right over there. To log into your account, just tap on login or register option right there. Then again select login option. Now you just have to click on this button to verify that you have accepted all the terms and conditions. At last tap on continue. Then you just have to enter your user ID at first. Once you enter your user ID, click on setup. Then it will ask for your password. Once you enter your password, you will be successfully logged in into TSB mobile banking account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.